Today is a monumental day. On 5th of June 2025, today is also an Environment Day, and where we are doing a groundbreaking ceremony in Gopalpur, Odisha at the Tata Steel SEZ, where we are doing groundbreaking for our 4.8 gigawatt of solar cell manufacturing and 4 gigawatt of solar module manufacturing. As you know, we have our existing plant in Hon'ble, where we are doing 3.8 gigawatt, which we are expanding now to 4.8 gigawatt of module manufacturing. With this addition, we will have 8.8 gigawatt of solar module manufacturing, which will be one of the largest in this industry.